PS Sneed with Southern Boating, and I'm standing on the Formula 360 CBR, which stands for Crossover Bowrider. You're absolutely going to love this vessel. The first thing I want to talk about is the swim platform that I'm standing on, which is extremely large. But on top of that, there's an optional electrically actuated swim seat that can be adjusted whether you want to enjoy your time on the water or getting on and off the vessel. Now, as we move forward, you can notice that the fort is a side door, which again makes getting on and off the vessel extremely easy, and this large sun pad with backrests that are easy to adjust. So if you want to lay back and enjoy the sun, or you want to face the bow as you're underway, it makes it very convenient. Now, there are tons of features in this vessel, including a JL audio sound system, which is always pointed to where the action is. Under my feet, there's actually a standard storage space, but you can optionally get a generator or a sea keeper. Right above my head, there's the sure shade, which goes all the way out to the end of the swim platform. And as we continue to move forward, you're going to notice that on the port side here, there's a sink and a grill, but the grill stays open to a certain degree to prevent heat from having any kind of or causing any kind of damage on the vessel. If we come back over here, you can see one of my favorite features, the hidden storage that this vessel has, and the Italian design hiding this cooler here, I think is absolutely incredible. As we continue to move forward, you can see more of that hidden storage behind this ergonomically designed chair, seats, which typically would be wasted space, but Formula made sure to take everything that they could and make it a feature for their owners. Over here in the Helm area, you're going to see that we have these bunk seats. So whether you want to be in a more upright seated position or fully relaxed seated, you're going to have full visibility and full comfort everywhere you go. On top of that, there's joystick control. All of the controls are on one of these two screens, digital, but there's also redundant switches on either side and a fuse panel down on the bottom. Now, the screens can be Raymarine or Garmin, so you have your option. If you have a preference, you can pick between the two. As we continue to move forward towards the bow, there's a hidden door here that opens up, and a window that closes, double wind mitigation as you're underway. Now, continuing forward now, you notice that there's plenty of seating, there's plenty of storage, and again, cup holders and JL audio, because this vessel is made for a good time. Now, if you're in the market for a vessel like this, you want to make sure to check out Bowrider. I have the link in the description so that you can learn more. Click on it now.